Tired of slow internet? Last month, Australians just got a massive speed upgrade on our NBN network. So it's a perfect time to check on your NBN plan too. Today, we're going to show you some of the ways you can use all of that extra speed. Today's video is sponsored by Southern Phone. Faster speed tier, smoother streaming, and reliable connections even at peak times. Visit the Southern Phone website to find out more. Number 1. Get a plan that supports multiple devices. These days, you need the internet for just about everything. Tablets, TVs, home appliances, and even kids' toys. But if you don't have a great connection, every extra device you attach can slow your internet down. It's important to look for a high-speed plan and an up-to-date modem. You can find a range of plans that include both options with Southern Phone. Number 2. Sort out your work-from-home setup and help your kids study. Cloud-based programs, sending files, and taking video calls all require high-speed internet. So, the right plan is critical when you're working from home. The same goes for your kids. School today is a multimedia experience, and that extends to homework as well. So your kids need fast internet to maximize their learning capabilities. With end-of-year exams creeping up, an investment in faster internet can also be an investment in your kids' education. Number 3. Lock in an epic gaming sesh. There's one enemy of online gaming bigger than any boss battle: lag. Level up your connection with a faster internet plan to reduce lag caused by bandwidth congestion and help keep your gameplay steady. Plus, faster speeds can also enable quicker downloads for patches and DLC. So, don't get stuck at the loading screen any longer. Number 4. Catch up with the latest streaming sensations. In Australia, we have access to so many free and paid streaming services. You can find just about anything you'd want to watch. But if you really want to take advantage of it, especially across multiple devices, you need a high-speed and reliable internet connection. So why not ditch the buffering and enjoy the newest shows in crisp 4K? There you have it, 4 ways you can use a faster internet connection. To find out more about upgrading your plan, visit the Southern Phone website. And if you want to read more articles about home internet, visit finder.com.au.